Hi everyone, this is Melissa with Sew Yours with a quick video to share with you the 7 new colors that we've added to our milled grain faux leather line, one of our best-selling faux leather collections. And I couldn't resist sharing these with you. They are available for purchase on our website and in store now. I have not taken proper product photography photos of these because they just came to us yesterday and we unboxed them today. We'll probably be able to get those photos posted the week after Thanksgiving. But in the meantime, you can grab these colors now on our website at sewyours.com if you want to, based upon the video today. The lighting in here is daylight lighting, so it looks pretty true to color in this video as I'm looking at my screen right now. So let's take a peek at each of the colors. First up, we've got this beautiful light soft shade of purple. We are calling this Thistle. I have brought in 2 shades of green. We've got lots of requests for greens. So this one here is a lighter shade. This is called Moss. And I wanted to point out that we do have thread colors that are going to work great with these. So here we have our Text 45 in the color, this one was, I think, olive. So we used to have a Savannah Suede in the color olive, but we discontinued that one. And here is our Text 45 in the color Army. So I think that you can use the olive with both of these colors, and the Army would look good with the darker one. So that's my recommendation if you need any thread to match the moss. And here's the Army. I'll show you a closer look at that. I foresee myself using these 2 colors on a bag in the near future. Mustard, got that one for myself because I love the color mustard. So we now have mustard. Teal, this one matches about 9 or 10 of our printed vinyls. I have done a separate video showing you the matchmakers with teal. So that's a stunning shade of teal. We've got Jam, so another rich, vivid, highly saturated color. And we've got this additional shade of blue. So we already had the navy and we had the steel blue. This one is called Air Force Blue, and it's like a happy medium. It's the middle ground between steel blue and navy blue. I really like the shade of blue. So if you are interested in purchasing these vinyls now before I get a chance to photograph them, make sure you check out them on our website at sewyours.com. I will put a link in the description box below so that way you can start shopping now.